What is going on, Millie Gang, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be an unboxing video on these Wolingspring, whatever it is, nails I did purchase off of Amazon. Y'all know that's my holy grail. So this video is really for you guys because I know a lot of people get insight on how to start their own personal nails business from my page. So I wanted to give you guys another option, and I wanted to try some other different type of brands of nails. I love my vendor. I'm sticking to where I get my nails from. They're perfect. But you know, this is just another option for you guys. And I want to do some unboxing videos, so this is where this came from. So to start off with the company, I'll put the price of how much the nails cost somewhere on the page or on the screen. When I clicked on this company's page, it was a bunch of hair products. So I was like, dig, I don't know about this, but I was like, and the nails look good, so you know, from the pictures, so let's go ahead and try it. So I'm gonna open this up and I'm gonna make a set of nails, and if I like the nails, they will be for sale on my page. All right, so let's get into it. Blow. Okay, so already opening up the box, we got some extra super long nail tips. These are some small ones. Then they got some bigger ones, but they all small as hell. Anyway, then we got this cute little manicure pack. I like this. I actually want to start selling these. You know, because you need to, you know, sometimes you just want to do a manicure. You don't really want to put no nails on or anything like that. But yeah, it comes with a brush and dividers and stuff. I feel like when it has the dividers, this is for pedicures, but we ain't gonna talk about that. So, moving this out the way. I don't know what these are, so if you guys know what these are, please comment in the comment section, and please let me know what the hell these are, because I have no idea. So this is a 600 piece personal nail set. So 600 pieces. This is definitely a lot of pieces. Oh my goodness. Alright, so when we open it up, this is a lot. It's definitely a lot. Okay. So these are the zeros. They're not too bad. They're a little thinner than I'm used to. But that's alright. Let's see how it fits. Stop playing with this. Alright, so it goes from 1 to 9, I think. What are these over here? These are 5s. Oh, I love this. They have extra 5s. Do y'all understand how quick I go through 5s? Like, bro, I go through 5s so quickly. Oh, it's a bunch of 5s. It's a bunch of stuff over here, but I have a lot. No, they're all 5s. Yo, that's dope. You guys, I run out of 5 so quickly, and the fact that it's so many in here, I hope they hold up, because this is perfect. So let's get into making this set. I'm talking wop, wop, wop. This is the final look of these nails, you guys. I did have to change this nail because it was acting stupid. And I just, I just wanted to finish them. So this is what they look like. Overall, I'm impressed with these nails. They're a little bit more flimsy than I'm used to. I like thick nails, but for the price, they're not bad. I'm gonna link the nails in the description box. I'm going to give you all the specs to these. If you guys like these nails, okay, if you got that wop, go ahead and let me know in the comments below. If you do like the nails, make sure you guys check out my social medias. Make sure you guys follow me on all of them. Make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe to my channel, like, comment, check out my previous videos, and stay tuned for my new videos. Bye, you guys.